In this video, we will see how to pass a JSR223 sampler variable to JMeter other requests. So to do that, we need to. So I'm taking some simple object, OBJ, simple object, and JSR223 variable to other samplers. Now I have added the variable now, so even we can do it some logic plus or minus concatenation, so anything in any Java operations we can do it. So after we doing that, so if you want to pass your variable to other sampler, so let's take, if you want to the first I'm taking a dummy sampler. I'm taking a dummy sampler here. Okay, we'll take some HTTP request here, and I will paste some variable name here. Some test variable name as a test. We'll run it. Test. We don't have the variable name test here. Okay, we don't have any variable name. So okay, we don't have any variable name here. So we will take it OBJ. There is a variable declared. So I will take it as OBJ and clear again, run again. Now still you see the same OBJ. Okay, now your JSR223 sampler variable is not accessible to your other HTTP sampler or any other sampler below your sampler. Okay, now how to add your JSR223 output variable value to other samplers or accessible with the JMeter. So vars.put is the command. So vars.put first double quote vars.put, we need to give pass two arguments here. The first argument should be a variable. So I'm giving the OBJ now, and what is the value? So both has to be a string. So we will not take the objects. So I given the name as an object, but it's not an object. It's a string variable, string value. JMeter.put will not take the object. JMeter.put object, we have another method. Vars.put object that will take string as a key and value as object. So vars.put will take string and value, both are string only. Okay. Now see the previous run we got OBJ. Now we will run it. We got JSR variable 2. Now we got our value JSR223, JSR22R variable from other samplers. Okay, so now we are able to access our variable out of our JSR223 scope. Okay, this is how we need to add our. This is how we need to transfer the object from JMeter JSR223 variable to another request in your JMeter. Thanks for listening.